I don't know. You guys take this all in. Just power bars everywhere. Nothing makes sense. I've tried to make sense of any of this, and there really is no sense to be made. Contraptions, bowls, switches, vices, stands, propane tanks where they shouldn't be, whatever that little basin is with a funnel and a little tube at the bottom. You guys, welcome to the Boosted Motorsports Breaking Bad RV. This thing is badly broken. We picked this up in Omaha, Nebraska for dirt cheap, but it's gonna be our new tow rig. It's got some good stuff. It's got a lot of bad stuff. Let's show you guys around. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna show you guys the good part of it. So it's got a Duramax Diesel. It's a 05. It is pre-emissions, right, yes, Steve?
Pre-emissions.
Pre-emissions. I mean, I think it has a cat on it, but doesn't have DPF, doesn't have DEF, none of that junk on there, just because they didn't introduce it just yet. But
how many miles are on this thing?
18,000 miles, you guys, on this thing. So we picked this up for dirt cheap. I guess, should we tell them how much?
I don't care.
So we paid $12,500 for this 36-foot RV. It's got an Allison 1000 transmission on it and 18,000 miles. Like, look at the front of this. It's got covered in bugs because I drove it for like 6 hours, or actually 10 hours. But the front looks like it just rolled off the showroom floor. So we'll pop the hood. I'll show you guys under the hood, and then we're gonna get into all the major issues. All right, so check this out, you guys. Like, even the coolant reservoir is like brand new. I don't know if you guys can see in there, the exhaust manifolds, they're fresh as ever. So it's an LLY, not the LBZ. Shares a lot of similarities with the LBZ, but there's one big thing that is a chokehold on this. There's a turbo inlet. We're gonna end up upgrading that, and maybe some other spicy parts, but trust me, we've got some other issues. Before we show you guys inside, we'll show you guys the outside. Anything you see on this thing,
what is this?
This is a pull rope. See, pull rope, rope pull. And then if you didn't know, you got to pull and you got to pull to close the door.
Oh my god.
So story is on this, you guys, that somebody, I don't know what was the deal, but somebody that should not have been messing with stuff ended up messing with their motorhome. So I don't know if they...
You guys, you got to look at this. There's screw holes.
All of these screws and bolts and stuff are like, look at these like self-tappers just ran right through this. So pretty much congruent with the whole thing, there's just self-tappers. There's some big random pipe here. There's a multitude of screw holes everywhere.
Oh my god.
Like, look at this. Wood screws just poking out everywhere. These are actually, Steve, these are the awning holes. So there was an awning on here. You can see like the scrap from it. So the awning is missing, but that's what these holes are. But there's just 5 million other holes, and just like, I don't know what this is. This probably shouldn't be hanging there.
You guys, look at this. You need like a tetanus shot to be near.
Wait till you see inside on why these are sticking out of here. Multiple holes pretty much
did he
everywhere.
Cut this out? Oh, he did.
He must have.
Yeah.
That might have been where the original exhaust was for the thing, but I doubt it. I don't know. At this point, I'm not.
Show him this guy.
So they screwed in boards on the back of it for some reason, like straight just right into the fiberglass body. The ladder used to be over there. They tweaked. Well, there's a lot of tweaking going on
here, and they moved it over.
Yeah,
the old holes.
Literally. No, well, both rungs, right? So this one would have been here, that one would have been there.
Yeah.
And they shifted it over and then just ran more self-tappers into the side over here. Why, I don't know. Ran this big long extension on the generator. It does, this is the perks of this thing, you guys. It has a 10,000 pounds rated hitch for the back. Also has airbags. So like I said, hopefully you guys can see there's a lot of good on here.
Look at you, ready to screw just right.
Yep. Wherever he could put a screw. I think he tried to put one in there.
Oh, there's another one.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there's screws everywhere.
Oh my Flanta.
I don't know what this is. There's shoddy electrical work going on everywhere.
Oh, I got the roof a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh my. You guys, what is this?
Yeah. We got cable TV just popped right through the side. Electrical.
Look at all those screws.
Yep. This, wait till you see the bathroom and inside. So we're gonna just take you on a little tour of this today on this video, and then we're gonna be starting to clean this up and getting it ready. So this door I actually have, it was included, it's inside, but the propane tank is completely missing, you guys. Somebody completely chopped it and took it out.
I think this pop-up is the only good side.
Now there's holes in that.
Where?
You got it right here. Look, hole.
Oh, barely. Like, he didn't touch any of this. He didn't get like.
I know that there's a hole in the pop out when you put it out right here. There's holes this way, but on the face of it at least.
Must have been leaking because he just duct taped it.
No, that was probably just where he was bringing more stuff in. There's duct tape everywhere, so I will show you guys. Like, the interior is mint. The seats were pretty good, but they're so old that my butt, I ended up ripping the seat just driving it. But the seats were in good shape. The cab hasn't really been messed with. The Jake brake works. It's got a brake controller for when we're towing our race hauler. Let's go inside. All right, so here we go. Steve, get you in there.
Oh, is this safe to get in here?
It's safe. No, that won't. It's electric.
It's electric?
Yeah. It's electric, but we got to figure out the electrical system. Our 12-volt system and the other system is just, because there's just shoddy wiring everywhere.
John, what in the Sam hell?
We were cooking, Steve.
Oh my. Guys, this is.
Look at this. We got DeWalt chargers.
Look at
We've got
a piece of plywood here and made a freaking like.
What is this? This is a little flat. Oh, look, we got tin foils.
He made tin foil.
We got tin foil dispenser.
So he can like wrap up his like. And he's cooking in here.
There's a reason why I'm wearing a lab coat, you guys. This is the Breaking Bad RV. What is that?
What is it?
Oh, that's a button.
Oh my gosh, John, you actually legit have a rolling.
No, there's a purpose for everything here, Steve.
Look at this, guys. Look at he had a.
There's a vise.
He had a vise.
There's a funnel system. So I don't even know where to start, where to begin. We're just gonna keep showing you guys stuff. So there's some sort of reverse osmosis system hooked up to the tap that runs there, and then there's no rhyme or reason behind any of this. That's chopped off, I guess, at this point.
Oh my gosh.
Every single light has a coffee cup modified around it. Like, look, coffee cup, coffee cup, coffee cups,
What
coffee cups.
the fudge?
Look, he mounted. Look at that lamp. He mounted that lamp permanently. Like, it's got screws holding it in.
Oh my gosh, he did.
So there's a couple holes there on that one.
You guys, look at this. Is a 6-foot plastic table, and he ran screws.
Heck yeah, he
to
did.
the top of the thing, and it's solid mounted now.
Yeah.
He literally ran right through the top of the.
You don't need any of that. So paper cups.
What?
That's so you can do chin-ups, Steve.
This is literally like.
It's chin-up bar.
Is that what it is, or it looks like some weird? I can't say this on because it's YouTube, but
That's a chin-up bar, Steve. Oh, my AC unit was moving.
Let's
So I guess while I was driving, my AC unit started moving, so I probably have to resecure that because. Oh, okay. That's. So I'm new to this, but I've been finding some stuff. So check this out. Look at these bolts, Steve. So these bolts were sitting here.
Yeah.
And if you look at this frame, that's what holds the AC unit to the roof, meaning I was driving 10 hours.
Was it secured at all?
And the AC unit was slowly starting to leave us.
Oh my gosh, John.
That AC unit could have flown off while I was driving it.
Somebody.
Hey.
Oh my god. You have to look in these?
Yeah, there's nothing in those. I've done some preliminary investigation. So,
dude, this is the first thing that's got to go.
yep, that way we can get back there. Crawl back there, though, so we can show the rest.
Get back there.
Yes, you can.
This thing is
Okay, move
dangerous.
that. We need that, though. Don't break it.
Oh.
Here. You want me to get in there? Those are our thingies.
Oh my gosh, John. Jeez, I didn't think it was this bad.
Come on.
I guess everything you buy does not surprise me.
No.
You guys, look at this.
You might as well just throw that out.
Right now. I guess we can just yard sale some stuff out in my yard.
Jeez. There is some stuff good in here, believe it or not. That is not one of them.
What in the... How am I gonna get this out?
That was the exhaust extension pipe, Steve. Everybody needs one of those. Out she goes.
How do I get in here?
You gotta walk carefully. Everything's
You guys, look at this.
everything's strategically placed, okay?
Oh.
So this, look, we got the door for the water connection.
Okay.
A lot of the parts are still here.
You guys, look at this. It is literally hard mounted. Like
So this table, he put this thing here. My propane tank is missing because he thought it'd be a better idea to put a little barbecue one in there.
Look at this. He put it like a little pocket knife.
Yeah, you gotta have your pocket knives handy. So there's this. I don't know what little mousetrap thing he was building there.
Dude, look at this.
I'm like curious on this, like this funnel that goes into here and then into there.
You guys, this is.
Steve, open the freezer. I've already seen this one. I want to see Steve's reaction.
No way. Wait, it's got. What?
Look at the trim work though. Look at that trim work.
This is literally just made out of duct tape.
No, that's trim.
You guys, this is literally just duct tape. Why would he put this in here? Hey, it's actually clean in here. It's never been used. This is like brand new.
Oh, you know, you need some electrical right next to your microwave, and
what is this for?
that's to hold the wires.
On the ceiling.
That's so you can measure while you're on the ceiling.
Is this anything in here?
No, it's just unfortunately, hate to disappoint, but it's it's got a little there's some duct tape going on there.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
Yeah, we got more stuff. You got a blow dryer, handy, right for when you leave the shower.
What in the world? Oh my gosh, Sean.
Yeah. This was what made me almost not buy it, was this.
What in the world?
Look at that seat. This like looked like something out of a horror movie.
It's black. Is that just water standing there?
Could be.
That's water.
Yeah.
Ew, you're literally driving around like moldy water. Oh my gosh.
More paper cups, more paper towel dispensers. This all has to be gutted out.
This is insane. Oh my. What in the world is this? Oh, this is a pop out, right?
Yeah, so this
That's
is
why it's really small.
And if you look on the back wall, there's the grand master plan on everything right there.
Oh my gosh, he did.
You got the paper cups.
Look at this.
And then
one has a paper cup.
check this out. So the bed has self-tappers
Oh, so that's what's going through the other side.
running right to the outside.
So that's
everywhere.
Why, that's why it's
Yeah.
Wow. Hey, look at you got a nice TV.
Yeah.
That might be keepable in this Blu-ray.
Yeah, we got a little bit. So I don't know what half of that says. I can't even make frame both sides, heat AC wall units, electric to the left.
What is all this? Look, he hard mounted his chargers.
Yeah, he's got the Dyson charger right there. He's got the DeWalt chargers. You got it all, Steve. What is that thing?
I don't know. Look at this thing.
And then like this goes to the outside cabinet, and he's opened up the access panel or something right into there.
I don't know what to think about this, John.
So you got a chin-up bar here whenever you're ready to do chin-ups. You got this bar. Got more paper cups.
Dude, this right here.
You got a sink on the floor in case you need one.
This gives me anxiety right here.
I know, that's why I wanted to clean it out. All this stuff, you guys, none of the systems are really working. He took the taps off there, so we gotta put new taps, new shower, all that stuff.
Water?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then
You using his water?
no. And then we got this. We got all sorts of junk just duct taped everywhere. Oh, Steve, look! I've got a MacBook charger.
Dude, that's worth like $50.
Look at this. I can charge my laptop. What the hell is that other thing?
Hey, look at you got a little USB.
Look at this. We got a Mac charger. What is this?
You gotta see this here.
Is that a wireless charger?
You gotta see this.
Hold on.
He duct taped over the outlet and then made the slits for the outlet. Look at that. That's duct tape.
See? That's a Picasso, Steve. You got a fan. You got everything. What more could you ask for in an RV, Steve? Got it all. All right, guys. So it is the next day, and we are about to start completely gutting this out. So we'll probably go into more detail. Just, I don't know. Do you guys take this all in? Just power bars everywhere. Nothing makes sense. I've tried to make sense of any of this, and there really is no sense to be made. There's some sort of outlet down there, more power bars, lights, contraptions, bowls, switches, vices, stands, propane tanks where they shouldn't be, whatever that little basin is with a funnel and a little tube at the bottom. And what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna start taking all this crap out of here, and we're gonna throw it into that dump trailer and take to the dump and start seeing what we got. So if you guys are into this, hit the subscribe button, and we're gonna start gutting this out and start the rebuild project. Also, comment down below what we should nickname this thing. I'm thinking Breaking Bad, Broken Bad RV. I don't know, even this freaking tin foil dispenser. I don't know if this guy was wearing tin foil hats and he needed a tin foil dispenser on the regular, but like I said, can't make sense of any of it, but we're gonna get back into it. And I also, as you guys saw, I gotta fasten that AC unit. I didn't even realize that thing was just literally sitting there while I was driving this thing across the country. So yeah, a lot of stuff to contend with, but smash that thumbs up, hit the subscribe so you guys are notified when I post another episode on this. We'll catch you guys on the next one.